YouTube gets over 1 billion people visiting their website every single month. And though we've seen huge successes from people like Justin Bieber, who initially used the YouTube platform to go on and create a huge success for himself, most people are probably like you and me. Hi, my name is Derek Sharp, and I'm an entrepreneur, a marketer, and a product creator. And some 2 years ago, my development team and I set out to create a tool that would be web-based and would not only allow us to broadcast ourselves, as YouTube would tell you, but to broadcast and brand yourself. And if you notice, each time you go to YouTube, you may put a link under your video, but you may not be getting traction to your website. So when we decided to create a tool called Easy Hangout, this tool allows you to not only broadcast yourself using the YouTube platform, but to brand yourself as well. So let me give you a little bit of background on me. I got started in this industry 8 years ago, and it was in network marketing. And I talked to my family and friends. Me and my wife got the opportunity to travel around the United States to go to different events. And 4 years later, I found internet marketing. Although it had been around, had never even heard about it. Probably had saw the effect of it by looking at Facebook, but still I wasn't privy to how internet marketing works. So some 4 years ago, when I got into internet marketing, again, it allowed me and my wife to travel around the world, visit some beautiful beaches, meet a lot of great people. And what I found in this niche, in this industry, in internet marketing, was people were doing video. And quite honestly, I was terrified to do video. Even though it would just be myself and a camera in front of me, I was terrified to do video. But the success that I was seeing from people using video, I knew it was a necessary means that, hey, I need to start doing video. But the thing was, I thought, well, I'll start doing video when I grew a team of, 10 people or 100 people. And I heard a guy say, you should start doing video when you have one person on your list. Now, you can talk to them as if you're talking to 100 people, but if you have one person that's a part of your business, then you should be doing video. So I set out to create, along with my development team, Easy Hangout. And what this does is allows us to brand ourselves. So instead of just uploading a video to YouTube, now my team was able to send all their people on their team to this one page, and each person would get credit when they use a dynamic link. And this tool, when I created initially, was again just for myself, but I wanted to expand it where the marketplace could use it, where no matter where you are in the world, you could brand yourself, where you didn't have to know any HTML coding, you didn't have to have a designer. You could go to like a Fiverr and have a banner made, but pretty much, you're just uploading backgrounds and uploading different images, so it's so easy that a kid can do it. So when we created Easy Hangout, that was our goal for the marketplace to not just broadcast themselves, but to brand themselves. So enough talking in front of this camera about it. I want to show you the back office so you can get a feel for it and see if it's a good fit for your business. And if you're in internet marketing, and not just internet marketing, because I know restaurants and real estate agents could use this as well, but I speak to my audience because I'm an internet marketer as well. I do offline and online marketing, mostly online marketing. So if you have a team of people and you're not doing Hangouts, then I want you to take a look at Easy Hangout, and I trust that you're going to see the value in it because we spent a couple years building this and we think you're going to love it. So let's go over to my computer. I'm going to show you the back office of how it works and how it can be a benefit to you. Okay, so here we are. We're about to jump into the back office. I'm going to show you how Easy Hangout works. Okay, so here we are in the back office of Easy Hangout. And what I'm going to do is build a complete Hangout page from start to finish. And what I'll be doing is jumping back and forth so you can see me do it as we go along. So here we are on a blank page. I have a video already preloaded in, and you see it's just all white with the video there. So let's jump right into it. So here we are. You see I have a header here, and Easy Hangout will preload all your information and save it. So I want to show this header. And again, what I'll be doing is jumping back and forth. I'm going to hit save. After I display the header, I'll refresh the page, and you see I now have my header there. Notice the screen is all white, so if you wanted a different color, you would just come down, you would select content and video at the top there, and you see you can use either a body background type. You can either do an image or a color. So let's just say I want to use a different color. I would just drag my mouse here. Let's say I did this green. I'm gonna hit save, jump back over to our Hangout page, and boom, there we go, have that green there. But what I want to do is, let me go over to content and video. I want to use the image that I have preloaded in there. Just gonna save it. I'll jump back over, refresh my page, and there is my background image. So let's see, I want to do my social icons with my share button. So I'm gonna click show, and the good thing that you can add all your information that you want shown inside your share button. So you see I have join after 5 mastermind. This is just some filler text. I'm gonna show this as we see here. Jump back over, refresh the page, and there we have our share icons. If I click the Facebook icon, you'll see it has the text that I showed you, after 5 mastermind, and the logo. So whatever your logo is for your business, you can insert it there just by uploading it. So let's jump back over here. Okay, we did the social share. What about notifications? So if we come down to notifications, this is a real-time feature, and what I mean by that is you don't have to refresh the page. So I'm going to click show, and I'll jump back over here and give it, usually takes about maybe about 20 seconds or so for real-time notifications to show up. I do want to make sure I hit show and save. Jump back over here. Let's see. Display notification. That's there. And there we go. The Hangout will start in 10 minutes. So you notice I didn't have to refresh the page. Just give it about 20 or 30 seconds or so, and it will show up. So let's move right along. Typically, of course, when you're doing a Hangout, you have several people on there. With a Google Hangout, you can have 10 people on the Hangout at a time. So what Easy Hangout allows you to do is everyone that's on the Hangout, you can actually display their picture. So a lot of times you see these boxes at the bottom of the page, but you don't know who you see these people rather, but you don't know who they are. So this is a feature where you can put everyone that's on the Hangout, have them listed, so when people are looking at these little boxes at the bottom, they're not wondering like, well, who are these people? So let me just show you how this feature works here. I'm gonna make all these folks active. And let's see. I'll hit save content. When you see this green bar up above, that's how you know your content has been saved. So I'll jump back over here just so you can see. And I'll give it about 20 seconds. So I'm going to move on to the next feature. And as I jump back, you'll see those people. Appear over there. So let's see. Sidebars. So we also have sidebar banners. I'm going to click display sidebar. This is the text I want to be shown. And let's see, I'll just hit save. I'll come back over here, and you see you have your team there, everyone that's on the site. So I'll just refresh that, and there is our sidebar banner that we have there. This is our team. So when you start seeing everyone at the bottom of the Hangout page, you'll know exactly who they are. Now let's say you find out that, let's say Reggie right here. You found out Reggie couldn't make it to the Hangout page. So what you would do is come back over to content and video, and then just find Reggie over here. Where's Reggie? And click inactive, because he's not gonna be able to make the Hangout. I'll come back over here. Remember, this is Reggie right here. and in a few seconds Reggie will disappear. Now you'll notice that I'm not going to refresh the page. Reggie will just disappear automatically, so that way while the Hangout is going on, people are not having to refresh the page to see that, say, Reggie's not there. So you see Reggie is gone there. So that's another cool feature. Let me show you another banner. So these real-time banners are really cool also, because people, they don't have to refresh the page just to see an advertisement or whatever you're trying to promote. So I'm going to display my right side banner, and on this one what I want to do is I'm going to put a counter on it. So let's say I'll just put it for 58 minutes. And let's see, display right side. I'll jump over here and I'll just wait about 30 seconds or so and let that right side banner appear. Let me just double check and that I put display right sidebar. Okay, so let me move along. We'll see that pop up in just a second. And there we go. So now you see we have a counter on our right side banner. This is the text that I had in there. Still time to receive the bonus clicks. So you can see the functionality of Easy Hangout, how you can, it's just loaded with features on how you can really brand and, you know, broadcast yourself. So let's talk about Facebook comments. So I'll go down to, let's see, comments here, and you have the option to either use Livefire or Facebook. I'm going to use Facebook. I'm going to hit save. So now everyone who's logged into Facebook, when they come to your page, they can use the Facebook comments feature and comment on your Hangout. So you notice right here it has 0 comments because we're building this page. Moving right along. Announcements. So let's see, I'm going to go up to content and video, and I want to display some announcements now. So this is my announcement text. If you want to let people know what your Hangout is all about, you know, what you're sharing, when you're sharing it, I'm going to display announcement. I'll hit save. I'll come back over, refresh the page, and now you see I have my announcements here, so people can see what my Hangout is all about, when it's happening, so on and so forth. Let's see, what else do we want to talk about here? Okay, so what we're going to talk about is some real-time banners. A lot of times people, you can get banner fatigue. So you get used to seeing the Starbucks, you get used to seeing, 200 clicks giveaway, and it just kind of blends in. This is a cool feature, and it's called the banner just right at the top, so it's really eye-catching. So I'm going to show you how this works. This is my text. I have it in white, so it's not showing up here. So I'm going to display it, and I'm going to put 5 minutes on the counter. These are the buttons that I have. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to jump back over. And now you see I have my new banner that's appearing there. So they have 5 minutes to take advantage of this click bonus that we're offering over here. Pretty cool, huh? So let's see. Another thing to note, you see you don't see the banner anymore. If you click this arrow button, it just gives you more video space. So again, you can click this button and then the banner will appear. You scroll down, the banner is not there. Click it again, boom, there your banner is. One other thing that I did want to show you, and there's a lot of cool features in here, so you can just kind of mix and match this how you want to do it. But I want to talk about briefly just the actual Hangout page. You can use any domain that you want, so whatever your domain is, abc.com, and your whole team. So if you have 100 people, if you have 1,000 people, everyone can use the same site. They would just put in their affiliate ID after the domain. So if it's abcd.com, they would just put in /?ID equals their affiliate name. So your whole team can use this. It's just not for you. You can also use it as a sales page. If you're not doing a Hangout page, you can just put your regular video for your sales page, and you have your call to action buttons in here that people can just click on. So let's talk about buttons on the video. Let me go down to content and video, and let's see. I want to display these buttons here. So these are more call to action buttons to get people started. I'll click save. And what else do I want to do over here? Let's talk about the pre-video hangout. And what a pre-video hangout is, a lot of times when you're watching a hangout and it's about to start, people are saying, hey, has the hangout started? Has the hangout started? You'll hear people saying, well, refresh the page, refresh the page. Well, what Easy Hangout allows you to do is you don't actually have to refresh the page to do that. And let me just show you how that works. So I'm going to go down to content and video. And let's see, where it says pre-video countdown, I'm just going to put in just a few seconds, 22 seconds. The hangout will begin in, let's see, my text is in white, so it's not showing up. You have pre-video controls. You can either decide, do you want to show it or not show it. So I'm going to hit save. And let's see. So you see the hangout will begin shortly. So this
you can't connect the dots looking forward.
Let me press pause here. This is a pre-hangout page, so this is not your actual hangout page, but you'll notice as the counter counts down, when it hits 0, it's going to refresh the page automatically, which means your viewer's page will refresh automatically and take you right into the hangout page. So you see we're back here. So that's just another very cool feature. You see that,
hey everybody, what's going on?
Pause him. You see our buttons here are at the bottom, more call to action buttons where you see get access, click here now. So this is the nuts and bolts of how Easy Hangout works. I hope I gave you a few demonstrations. You can do a ton more with Easy Hangout, but I hope I showed you enough just to kind of give you the nuts and bolts of how this thing works, and how you can really get your business off and going with Easy Hangout. So let me cancel this screen share here.
Okay, wasn't that awesome? I hope you saw the value of how Easy Hangout can be a benefit to your business, be it an online or an offline business. So what you're going to see below is a button to access Easy Hangout. We have both a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. So whichever is suitable for your needs, go ahead and get access to Easy Hangout. And I look forward to seeing you in the back office of Easy Hangout. Take care. Bye-bye. Feel the vibes.